Hi everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. Today I have number 3 in my series for you. I will now put up the explanation of all of my colors from the very first video because I did such a great job with it that time. I am going to use my cloud mix in white on the base. And I have some Amsterdam lamp black with just American Floetrol, Artist Loft Metallic Purple, Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, DecoArt 24 Karat Gold in the Metallics, Amsterdam Primary Yellow, Amsterdam, oh, what is that one? I can't remember. Permanent Blue Violet, Arteza in the Pearl Amaranth Red, Arteza Pearl Rose, Golden Quinacridone Crimson, and over here I've got the DecoArt Metallics Sterling Silver mixed about half and half with the Amsterdam Phthalo Blue. Okay, I'm back. So now that we know what we're doing, I will put those colors back into the description box again this time. And so they'll be there for you if you would like to see them. So I'm just going to put the base coat down, which is my cloud mix. And I have way too much on here, which is not abnormal. Yeah, I tend to do that a lot. So anyway, here we go. Let me just tilt this, and I'm going to tilt it off this way so that I don't completely mess up the new coating I put on my spinner. I did soak that thing and try and get all the paint off, but that didn't work out very well either. Not much of it came off. It's just got so many layers on there, but at least the top part is clean and neat, and everything's laying on a nice flat surface again, so that's what's important, right? Okay, so I'm going to put on some music, and I'm going to paint.
du soleil, pas 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 du soleil.
So here is the final wet result. As you can see, my plan was to leave a little more of the color without the black swiping over all of it. And I accomplished that, and it came out really cool. I'm pretty happy with it. I love all the details. I think the swirls are amazing. And those little things I did with the metallic purple, they just make it. At least that's my opinion. I hope you think so too, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it maybe inspired you to try something a little different yourself. This is just, if you can't tell by watching any of my other videos, I do love to manipulate the paint and doodle in it. I was never a huge doodler as a kid in school, but I have become one now. Anyway, thanks for sharing your time with me today. Thanks for watching all the way through. I super appreciate it. And thanks for subscribing and liking the video. Really appreciate that too. It's a great way to support your favorite artists and help the channel grow. It's awesome of you to do that. And let me know what you think in the comments, because, you know, comments boost my morality and they also help boost the channel. So it's all nice and it's fun. It's fun to get to know everybody out there in the painting world. I do enjoy it. So take care of yourselves. Do something nice for you. And we'll see you next time. Bye. So here's the fourth painting in the series. It's pretty too. Problem is, it never got recorded. So I thought I'd tack it on to the end of this video for you. And just so you can see it, I'll probably do one or two more. We'll see. Because I kind of had fun with this. This was different too. I don't know. We'll have to see. But anyway, let me know what you think. Or no more. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.